The other night. I need to paint it. I need to paint this crap too. Alright. How many miles we put on this thing this year? Put 4,000 miles on this car this year. Most I put it on this car in, oh my god, 7-8 years. Alright, E85 cold start. That's a true E85 cold start. Anyone that tries to tell you these things fire right up right away, they're full of shit. I've seen some videos where people will have them in their garage and they fire right up and they're like, yeah, I don't have no trouble with the E85 cold start. See how quicker this gauge is than that gauge? That's why I want to upgrade to this gauge with boost. Much quicker than this. Much quicker. But yeah, they'll give you some bullshit. And then you get, see all this condensation? You get a lot of condensation. That goes away in like a couple minutes. Make you think your head gasket's gone. I'm still sick as shit, but I gotta get dog food tonight and I'm taking a race car. Yeah, it's starting to clear up. Look at that. Now that's what ruins your sensors. See how I got my sensors away from it being at the bottom? If we're at the bottom, you're going to get all that nasty soot right in them sensors, and then you're going to fuck up your sensor. And a lot of the guys that have them going out the hood, they don't angle them either. They put them in straight, and if they would angle them, it wouldn't lay on the sensor and ruin it. That's why you have all these people complaining about all their sensors go out. Now, these things do go out, I do understand, but there's a lot of times people cause it. You can prevent it. Oh yeah, we got this new piece too. There, that piece right there is out. It's not, you know, obviously I don't have it down, but we got a new piece there. I've been working on this car. I haven't told you guys nothing about it. I don't even know if I showed you guys this little intake I made for it, but yeah, I've been working on it. I'll tell you about it some other time. Well, yeah, now she's starting to run a little bit better. Obviously, idle's high. But yeah, no leaks. I put the fans on a toggle. You don't need them bitches in the winter. Not in this thing. Yeah, that went away. Yeah, I don't know. I just figured I'd show you guys an E85 cold start. Oh. My buddy got this sleeve off. It's kind of got some little bit of gouges in it. He smoothed it up really good. I'm going to put the bearing on there and see what happens with it. See if it slides. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We can try it. More likely I'm going to have to buy another one. I should have pressed it on like a fucking idiot. I didn't. You can see, look, see how I smushed it down in? Smushed it out the back. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Shit happens sometimes. You can't control everything. But yeah, E85 cold start. Peace out, guys.